Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Christy M and welcome back to my channel. I'm sure you read the title below. We are here because Morphe, they came out with their foundation line. So they have a foundation, concealer, setting powder. They have a white concealer that's supposed to hide all the flaws. So you know your girl had to get in it. Because first of all, did nobody tell me that this was coming out, first of all. Secondly, I had to find out by other YouTubers, by searching it through the YouTube to figure out what the heck is really good. I mean, for real, because I've been waiting on this. So today, you guys, I'm going to do my review. I'm going to do the review on the Morphe foundation and the concealer. I really hope it's amazing, you guys. Honestly, I've already tried it, but I want to get you guys' honest opinion. I want you guys to see it. I want you guys to witness it in the flesh. So let's get right into it, guys. So first of all, let me say this, you guys. I feel as if Morphe coming out with their own foundation and because of their own makeup products, period, is amazing. First of all, you guys, let me just say this. They have 60 shades of foundation. That's a lot. That is a lot. And honestly, I believe that's almost as much as Rihanna, the Fenty Beauty. So you guys cannot say, oh, they don't have my shade. They gonna have your shade, sweetie. So let's just nip that into bud now. They have 60 shades. They have 30 shades of the concealer, which is way less than Fenty Beauty. Fenty Beauty has way more. I will put the number here for the concealer and the foundation of Fenty Beauty because I don't know off the top of my head. I just know that Morphe has 60 shades of their foundation, and then the concealer, they have 30. Which, again, 60 is a lot. 30 is pretty cool. I mean, maybe you don't need that much concealer. I don't know. I don't. So, you guys, let's get to the business. So, like I said, I've already tried this out in the store. I went to the Morphe store yesterday, which was Saturday, and this cute little black girl, she was in there, and she did my makeup. She put it on my face, and at first, I grabbed the wrong colors because I'm grabbing colors that is from Fenty Beauty because those are my shades that I wear in Fenty Beauty. But no. We switched it all up. We switched the whole game up now. I am a, what color? F450 in the Morphe. And then for my concealer, because I do want to highlight, I went a little bit lighter. In the highlight, I am a color, oh my gosh, you guys, C445. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, you guys, and we're gonna apply the foundation first. I already have my brows done. I did already pre-conceal my face and everything like I normally do for my normal makeup tutorial. I am going to use my foundation brush. This brush blends in my makeup very well. The girl, she was telling me, who was doing my makeup yesterday, she was telling me that I need to let it sit so it can oxidize in my skin, so it can oxidize, so you can see it like blend into your skin. So we're gonna let this oxidize for like at least a few minutes, you guys, before we add the concealer after applying it. And so she said, you guys, well, she only used a little bit, but little does she know I do about 2 coats because, you know, I'm trying to cover my flaws and everything. So you guys, I'm literally just putting like some pats on my face, and it's gonna look orange for now, you guys. Definitely it's not gonna be orange forever. I hope. No, it's not gonna be orange forever, you guys. I'm just blending this into my okay, you guys, so we have the first coat on. I am gonna add a little bit of another layer onto it. One thing that I can say about this foundation, you guys, is that it dries fast. It's drying faster than the Fenty Beauty. So you really have to quickly, you know, blend it into your skin, or else it's just gonna leave a streak on your face. So I'm gonna go ahead, you guys, I'm gonna add one more coat, and then we're gonna let it sit, you know, on our face for like a few minutes to really see it, you know, come to life. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna add a little bit of my setting spray to my face just to set it in. I mean, I'm feeling it. I really am. I think it's really good. I feel like it sets well within your face, and I feel like it's blending in with my skin complexion, with my skin tone. I feel like throughout the day, it should be good just because it's so dry and it dries so quickly. So I think that it would be pretty good so far. Let's add the concealer, you guys. And again, I went lighter on my concealer because I want to do more of a highlight to my face. So we're gonna add the concealer. If I can get it, oh my gosh, if I can get it open. Jesus Christ. This is my color, you guys. And I think the girl, she did this to my face. Like, girl, what are you doing? We're gonna do some at the bottom. Alright guys, let's blend it in and see what we're working with. Let's see, my small beauty blender. Actually, I'm going to use the ending of this beauty blender just a little bit bigger. This one's cleaner than that one. So we're going to use that, you guys, and we're just going to blend. And normally, like we normally would. Because I definitely do want to see how this is going to blend with this. Okay, you guys, so I've added the concealer onto my face, and I think it's pretty good, you guys. I actually think that it's pretty good, you guys. I think that the concealer, I could have went a little bit lighter on my concealer just because I do like it a little bit lighter, but what I am going to do, you guys, I'm going to take my white setting powder and I'm just going to set this into my face. This is something that I always do. It's just going to set the concealer and set the makeup on my face, you guys. But overall, you guys, I think that it's a good product. I think for the cost that you're paying for it, it's a really good product, you guys. It's really good. I mean, it's more like my skin. You know what I mean? It's like my skin tone. I do think that you guys should definitely go to the Morphe store. Do not go online and try to think about your color. If you do have a Morphe store in your area, definitely go. I know here in Los Angeles they have one in Burbank, but if you do not, they have swatches, like foundation swatches on the website that you can sample. So they'll send you a sample of those swatches so that way you can test your shades at home. But I'm so serious, I would not go with shades. I would not just guess off the top of your head because I would have had a different color that was not my color and it wouldn't have gone, you guys. So definitely go online if you don't have a Morphe store in your area. Get the free sample of the foundations, all of the foundation colors, and then you order it online if you need to order online. But I would not just go and pick up colors because you have a certain foundation from Fenty Beauty or L'Oreal or whatever, Maybelline, and you're like, oh, that's gonna look good on mine because that's my color. No, because every makeup company, their foundation is totally different. And I'm seeing that now, it's totally different. Like the color that I had before was based off of the Rihanna, and it wouldn't have looked like this. You know what I mean? It would have been different, probably a little bit too lighter, you know, but this is a good look, you guys. It's perfect. I think that Morphe is, I'm glad they did this. I honestly, over the summer, was looking for them to create a foundation. I was asking about it, and so this is perfect because I could use this you know, for my makeup tutorials, just on day-to-day life, and then use my Fenty Beauty because that costs a lot more on other days, if that makes sense to you guys. So I would honestly say that the Morphe foundation is great. It's a great product. I feel like they have a good thing going on. Starting off with makeup, I would go with this. I would not use the drugstore. I would use the Morphe. It's inexpensive and it's a good product, and it's gonna make your skin and your face look, it's like my second, I don't even have makeup on right now. I have no makeup on, y'all. Like, seriously, it's just that fab. It's just that bomb. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this review on the Morphe makeup, on the Morphe makeup. If you are not subscribed to my channel, you guys, make sure you go click that bell on the bottom so you are alerted when I do upload new videos, first of all. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.